and we're at the Louvre right now, and this is our last day here. We get to leave early here for a couple of days, and just a few surprises that we thought about Paris. One of them is the busyness and the complexity of the metro train system. Buying the tickets is you don't know. There's so many of them. You don't know which ones to buy. We had to talk to a few people. The first time we used the train, it took us about 3 hours to get anywhere, and now that we know how to use the system, it's taking us, it's very fast, but it's very complex. It's a huge maze of trains. It's one of the biggest and most complex subway systems and train systems that I've ever used, and I've used a few. What did you think about it?
I thought it was really hard.
Another surprise is
we were really surprised at the friendliness and helpfulness of the people. People always say that people in France are rude and they don't like English-speaking people. We didn't find that at all. We tried speaking a little bit of French, a few words that I know from high school French, and they're very friendly. Everywhere we went, they helped us out. They helped us get onto trains. We had the wrong tickets once, so a lady used her pass to get us through, and then a nice gentleman helped us navigate the system to buy tickets. As Marco was saying, there's like 2 different kinds of tickets, one for subway or the metro and one for the trains. We ended up buying the wrong one, so we bought 2 different sets, but we found the people super friendly. I don't know what people are talking about when they say they're rude. They're not at all.
One more surprise that I wanted to add is that you have to pay for a lot of things that we're not used to paying for in Canada. For example, we had to pay to put our children in the play park here, the playground. It was €2.50 each, and in Canada we don't have to pay for that, and as well as the public washrooms too. It's €1 to use the washroom in the train station. Totally didn't expect that at all. That was a huge surprise to us.
another surprise that we have is usually when we've come to Europe, it's really slow pace and stuff. Paris, everybody seems to be in a rush. It's just you almost get pulled over and walked over everywhere we go. We usually have to pull ourselves out of the way so the crowd passes by so we can get our bearings, because everybody is going a mile a minute. I mean, that's to be expected in North American cities and that we grew up in, and we expect that everybody's in a rush, but just didn't expect that here. We always thought that people would be having coffees, stopping for coffee or whatever, having a smoke.
We didn't expect that in Paris.
No,
we didn't expect it at all, but they're in a hurry, they're very rushed, they know where they're going. And so again, we had to step out of the way and not get in anybody's way. So.
And another surprise for us is we've been to Europe before, in Spain and stuff, and they can smoke inside and smoke everywhere, and we're expecting the same thing here, but you can only smoke outside here and not in public places. I guess it's been 10 years. So that was a pleasant surprise, because we don't like being in places with lots of smoke. But you still get the smoke on the streets and stuff. Lots of people still smoke here, but it's nice that it's not in the restaurants and cafes.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
The other thing that I was really surprised about is how many actual American stores there are here. They have everything here. I thought it would be more European, but when we go to the malls, there's Sephora, and there's Starbucks, there's Burger King, there's a bunch of clothing stores, American Eagle, things like that, and that surprised me. I didn't expect that at all. I thought we would see a few brands, but not everything.
Yeah, everything here. And then when I asked someone for a coffee, they said, well, there's Starbucks here, and then I had to say, no, I want a good coffee from Paris, European coffee. And I'm oh, you gotta go out into the streets and stuff. But there's Starbucks everywhere here. It's crazy. That's a wrap. Until the next surprise. See you there? I actually had to put the word free in the toilet.